What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this Wealpe GoPro chest mount accessories. So this basically can fit on your GoPro and any other action camera, right? So I'm going to unbox it of this right now, and this is product from Wealpe, and this product was sponsored because Wealpe did send me this product for me to test out for you guys. So on the package, as you can see, then the back right here, it has the chest mount harness. This guys is the chest mount, and this have the Wealpe logo written on it right there. Right here you have a clamp right here to put your GoPro inside. And right here you have a tightener to tighten this GoPro up right here. And yes guys, we have the manual. So in case you need this manual guys, this right here is the manual. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to basically test this out to let you see how this product here actually fits. And this guys is the chest mount. I'm going to turn it on right now. So before going into further, just want to big up the sponsor of this video, which is Wealpe, for sponsoring today's video. So guys, if you want to purchase one of these, the link of this will be in the description, so you can check the description box to purchase one of these chest mounts. So I'm going to try it on right now so that you guys see how this basically fits. Yes guys, so as you can see right now, I already put on this Wealpe chest mount onto my chest right now, and this material feels pretty strong. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It feels pretty sturdy, feel like it can last a long while. And this material guys is very elastic, and it can fit firm on your body without any squeezing or anything like that. So I have my GoPro right here, which is this. I'm gonna just put on my GoPro on it right now. So first I'm gonna clamp on this right here. This rest is a clamp. I'll lock it into place right now. Right, and just clamp into place. So I'm gonna get my GoPro right now. My GoPro inside. And this right here tight, pretty tight. Yes guys, and that's it. That's now my GoPro strapped onto my chest right now. So I'm going to pull this off, and I'm going to show you guys basically how this basically shows. I'm going to show you guys a first one view of this right here while it is on my chest, so that you guys see an actual view of how this actually works. Yes guys, so my GoPro is actually on right now. Tilt it a bit, and it's basically recording, so I can move about, and you guys can see basically how this actually operates. So right now guys, my hands are hand-free, so I can basically film my videos, I can film my adventures and those things with this neatly chest mount strap right here. So if you guys want to purchase one of these, you can check a link in my description box to actually purchase one of these. This is a very good product, and I thanks Wealpe for sponsoring this video by sending this GoPro to me. I actually use it in my videos, and yeah, thanks. So if you guys want to have a chest mount to film your videos with your GoPro shot, this is basically one of the best strap to use. It's pretty strong. The thing I love about this strap right here, it's very strong, and I like how this basically feels neat and comfortable.